Hello guys, you're welcome again to another tutorial. Today is going to be different. I want to take a look at the Titan Submersive that imploded under the Atlantic Ocean while touring the sunk Titanic ship 112 years ago. Most of the videos I see is actually 3D made, so I want to show you how you can create a 3D model of the Titan Submersive in Cinema 4D. So I'm going to be using the basic box modeling for this. So I'm going to speed up some part and then come back to explain as I progress. So if you want a detailed tutorial or want to see more of this type of tutorial, please leave a comment below so that I'll do more of tutorial on Cinema 4D and After Effects. You can actually combine both. And also do not forget to join my membership so that you can have access to the project file, 3D models, After Effects project files, templates, and all of that. That will also give you a privilege to have quick access to me, ask me any question, and also have discounts in your future projects with me, up to 50%. If you like what I do here, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here we go. As you can see, I just got the basic shape of the Titan. This is not yet done very well, so I'm gonna just be using the knife to cut in and then scale in, extrude more, and then shift vertices to get the actual shape. If you compare it to the original, now we have the basic shape of the Titan Submersive. So let's continue. I'll be cutting and then still extruding and shifting and scaling at the same time to achieve the perfect shape for the sub. Now, as you can see, the basic shape is ready, and this is pretty much what it is basically. So now I'm going to start adding the additional shapes like the nose glass, the rings around it, and the engine and all of that. So I'm going to also quickly do that. So let's model the nose curve. There's a glass window through which they preview the sea. I'm going to model that and also model other attachments to the submersive. I'm going to be using a simple tube, then adjust it and place it on the nose. On the texturing, we can then texture the nose with a glass, right, like you can see right here. So I'm going to go to the primitive shapes and select the tube and start making adjustments. I just use the pen tool to draw a threading for the opening. Then I use lat noob to create a rotation around it. As you can see, I just placed it right here at the neck. So now I'm gonna duplicate this tube object and then reshape it and place it at the middle where I will form the base.